I don't know if you got out. Hello? Fucking shit! Okay. I see you, babes. There you are. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be okay, buddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Birdie, I just want to get you out. Go out that way. Stop going up. Go down. I know birds don't go down, but you gotta. Come on, you stupid little shite. Okay, come on. Ah! Stop going up. Can you know English? It's okay, buddy. Go. I don't want to hear you. Fucking shit! I can't get it out the window! Okay, the bird's still there. Literally opened it. It's still fucking there. I have it going. Oh, it's freezing in here. God dang this bird. God, it's gonna shit on me. I just know it. Oh, that's my coat. Don't get up there. Okay, come on. Go over there. Go there. That way. Okay. See that? No. God.
So come on and fly with me as we make a great escape.
Okay, I'm gonna take some potato chips and kind of, so then I can also then lure more animals in the fucking room. Great idea, Kaylin. Okay, I'm gonna try this. This might actually end up making more fucking problems, but I'm putting chips. Okay, I'll see if that works. Let's see. Did the potato chips work? Hello, bird. Hello? Birdie? Bird? Okay, I'm gonna whack this. See if it's here. Did it fucking work? Oh my god, I think it worked. Oh my god. Okay. So I think it worked.
It worked?
I think so. I mean, I was fooled once before. So I don't know.
You don't see him anywhere.
I don't see him anywhere. So this is the end of the birdemic. I'm guessing it's done. Trying to make a lot of noise. La la la. So if it gets scared. If you ever have a bird in your room, just put some potato chips out and it'll smell them and go eat them. And then fly out the window. And then this would be the perfect time for the bird to just attack. Update, the bird did not leave. It's still in here. The bird is somewhere back there. He was banging against the walls crazy. We don't know if it hurt himself. And I might have a dead bird behind my armoire.
Baby, are you
Down, down, down.